What's good everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a very cool technique that I use. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to steal a pattern, whether it's hi-hat pattern or snare roll patterns, and turn it into a MIDI and then use your own sound, own sample to play that rhythm. So let me just show you what I meant. I have a hi-hat pattern here, right? It's from Cymatics. They make cool samples. So I'm gonna hit play. So I have this MIDI pattern here and I like the rhythm, so I want to have this rhythm, but I'm gonna use a different sample. Okay, so the different sample is this one here. So I'm gonna double click on this, open the editor. Here I have a bunch of options that I can select. So I'm going to go and click on hit points. Okay, so when you go to hit points, you can see there's already a hit point being detected. But I want to make sure that these nodes are also added to the detection. All right, so what you're going to do is you have to come here and then just reduce this level so that all these nodes are detected. Okay, so when you're happy with these hit points, right, you can come here and click on this create button. And now you have this option MIDI notes. So click on these MIDI notes and I'm gonna change it to first selected track, which is this one, and I'm gonna hit OK. Now you can see here that it's already created the rhythm that we want. Okay, so I'm gonna play this one right now. Okay, yeah, another thing you have to remember, you have to change this to C3. Okay. Okay, so I like that. So you know, for this note repeat, what I can do here, I can come here and adjust the notes like so. Okay, so that's how you steal rhythm pattern from any samples, right? So let's hear the beat. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to everybody. And also please make sure to check out my new song Ooh La La. Is available on all streaming platforms. Alright, thank you and have a great day.